All right, I'm going to show you just a little bit about organizing the classroom, at least as best as you can. So this is your stream, and like I've said before, whenever you add an assignment, the newest thing just goes on the top. Maybe that's not necessarily the order you want it presented in, or the order assignments are due in. Unfortunately, Google does not have an option where you can just freely arrange. Okay, so there's not a way for you to just drag this assignment to the bottom if you want students to see it last. The only option they have is if you click on those three dots to say move to top. So you can go through the tedious task of moving to the top to make sure everything is organized and in the order you want students to see it in, or the solution we have found is that we just organize by topic. So over here, and I tell my students the easiest way to navigate, the best way to navigate, whether or not they actually are listening this or following these directions, some of them struggle through and are always trying to find assignments, is to just click on topic. So if you click on a topic, like here, I'm clicking on Google Classroom, and so this just takes us to anything that we've classified as the Google Classroom topic. And in here then I can arrange, it's still not any more user-friendly as far as dragging and dropping, but it is easier for me to organize, let's say, 5 to 10 assignments rather than trying to manage my whole semester's class stream. So then I just say move to top, and you do have to kind of pay attention to, okay, what do I want to be first, what do I want to be second, and you have to move them from oldest to newest. So let's say you've got a Friday assignment, you want to move that one to the top first, and then you move Thursday to the top, and then Wednesday, and then Tuesday, and then Monday, so that then when kids click on the topic, they're seeing, 1.01, then 1.02. Again, it's not an awesome solve, but it's the solve that we have, and at least that way there is some form of organization going on in your classroom for students. Another cool organizing trick that we have discovered is reusing an assignment. So some of my classes, I have, like every Monday, the kids do the same exact task. And instead of creating a new assignment each time, I just copy that task. And so the way that you can do that is pick a class, or like this class, we have the same navigating, we just stole all the navigating assignments from my other classes that I teach. So we were able to just click on my writing class, and we were able to steal, let's say, cumulative writing. So it doesn't even have to be within a class. Let's say that all of your classes across the board, the first 2 weeks of school, all have the same assignments. You can just copy those over. So we're going to say, for the sake of this, that I'm going to copy this using Google Drive. I just find it. You can say create new copies of all attachments if you want to. You don't have to. I don't do that. So reuse, and then usually you're going to need to change the assignment number, and you will want to change maybe some specific details, like a lot of my assignments will say refer to 1.02, so I just have to change it to 2.02. This instructions box is really small, and that's frustrating when you go to edit, but if you click on it and you hit enter, I always try to find the end of a sentence and hit enter, it'll open that instructions box up for you. You'll have to give it a new due date. Again, you can just assign it to specific kids or your whole class. It'll put it into the same topic grouping, so if you don't want that, then you pick a new topic. If it's not any of these topics, you can just create a new topic. That's easy to do. You just click it here, and then you can type it in. You'll notice that Allstat and I have numbered these, and so it's that they show up in the order that we decided we wanted them to. So like in my classes, the first week of school is numbered 1. You can do that however you'd like. That's just for us and organizational purposes in our minds. And then you can keep attachments, you can change attachments, and you just hit assign, and the kids get an all new assignment. So let's say that I've assigned this and I'm like, wait, crap, I already have it. I don't need this. I don't want it. you just delete it. Okay, so that's easy. And as far as organizing your classroom goes, those are some of the basics. If you want to see deleted items because you go, oh no, you can show them here. They'll pop up in your stream, so you will need to hide them again, get rid of them, whatever. But that is how you can organize your classroom with a little bit more ease. Again, if you need help, just let us know.